How long does a roof replacement take? A typical roof replacement takes about 1 to 3 days, but the exact time depends on the roof size, design, materials, weather, and the condition of the structure underneath. For a small simple roof, workers may finish in 1 day, while a large or complicated roof can take several days or more. The process usually starts with removing the old shingles and checking the wooden decking for soft, wet, or damaged areas. If that wood needs repairs, the project will take longer and cost more. Asphalt shingles are usually the quickest material to install, while metal, tile, and slate often require extra time because they are heavier or need more careful fitting. Weather is another major factor, since rain, strong wind, or very cold conditions can stop the work. A detail many homeowners do not know is that the roof replacement itself may be quick, but permits, material delivery, inspections, and cleanup can add time before and after installation. To help the project move smoothly, confirm the material delivery, ask whether permits are included, and make sure the contractor explains how unexpected wood damage will be handled. One common mistake is assuming the cheapest estimate will take the same amount of time as every other bid, so compare the work details, not just the price. Another mistake is scheduling during a season with frequent storms, so ask the contractor about the usual weather conditions and their backup plan. Some homeowners also forget to protect items in the attic, where small amounts of dust and debris may fall during tear-off, so cover belongings before work begins and ask how the crew will protect landscaping and outdoor areas. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.